Okay, boom viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete of minute up on the beat, and as you can see, pan on the screen. Yeah, it's not a good look for the dancehall community because a whole lot of the dancehall artists is facing 15 years in prison. As you know, Rygin King is a snitch. We'll get to that at the end of the video, but let's deal with Squash, man, because you know, say, boy, oh boy, oh boy, people, you know, the feds didn't give him no, them never recommend to the judge for him to get less time. Let's just put it that way, even though they trapped one charge, which carries 10 years, so yeah, but them never recommend to the judge for him to get any time reduction on the remaining charge that's up. You know what I mean? And that is a deportable charge. You see what I say? So them lawyers tricked him when they said, you don't make your dad come out and say, Horace Chan, try to dope him and don't want to kill him son no to, you see me? So let's take a look at exactly what the feds is dealing with. As you can see, they started off with a base offense level at 20 and reached 17 by the end of this. So let's take a look at number B. B says there are no sentencing enhancements or reduction that apply in this case. Yeah, so I'm not getting no points for that, you see me? So that means I can face the full 15 years if the judge feel fit, or 3 years and 3 years probation. As you can see, acceptance of responsibility, so I'm get 2-point deduction, and you know, pleading guilty before trial, so I'm get 1, which leads to 17 points in my work with. It's still high. And him pleading guilty in his case, he admitted that he is indeed Squash 6 boss of, the gang leader, and that's why he's going to be hit with a RICO in J-Man's case, because he was in the vehicle when J-Man and them did duppy them boy them. I remember that's where Squash was listed in the J-Man documents, and they want to speak to Squash, isn't it? For them boy, they murder, and that carries a life imprisonment in jail, and it's a it's a death penalty charge, people, isn't it? As you see, the charges and the cases in front of you for J-Man, so Squash is the leader, so his trouble is not over in America yet, and he still has to face an immigration judge, and he violated 3 bans already and pled guilty to a felony crime, so they're going to deport him. When he gets deported, Holness and Horace Chang is going to hold him because, he's one of the dons on the list that Holness sent overseas. As you see in front of you, my peeps. Some of them still want to give it that update check. We already dropped the story yesterday, but we never get the full recommendations or no recommendation from the feds. So, no, they know what go on from what to go on with Squash. When the judge makes this decision, we were given the final verdict, you see. Anyway, let's proceed to the next dancehall criminal at hand. Because Rygin King is crying like a bitch and calling down my Instagram phone because, we expose him as a snitch. His co-defendants is letting the world know he's snitching on them, trying to put the blame on them. And he is snitching on other people as well, like Blam Blam and them. You know what I mean? When we broke the story, he got arrested. As you can see, he was laughing in my comment section, but no, it was the story that he's snitching. He's trying to bow behind scenes. But anyway, as you can see, the most important business that me I get to the Rygin King case is that the feds are involved now, and they presented a video with Rygin King Blam Blam and Crayman with a bare rifle to sink him. So if you don't want to know more, go up on my King MixUp channel and subscribe to it as well. And hit the notification bell there for you to be notified when I drop the latest. This is my people, because we're not going to no longer run yesterday, isn't it? Bless.